Hi guys, welcome to my course on photo restoration. This specific photo restoration course is going to cover removing horrible colour casts which you tend to sometimes get on these old photos, especially if they've been left out in the sun. Now the course is going to cover loads of different techniques, so we're going to cover some sort of restoring some scratches and little blips in the photo, removing some elements we don't want, mainly focusing on removing colours that we don't want, but painting in skin tones and painting back our corrections. And the skills learned in this course can be applied to many other mediums and different photo restorations as well. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the course.